In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant error 9003. So like the video, subscribe, and share with someone who may be having this issue. First, we need to load into the BIOS. To load into the BIOS, there are two ways. The fastest way is to hold Shift, then click Restart. If for some reason that doesn't work for you, the other way is to go to the settings, then type Recovery, then click on Recovery option. It will bring you to this screen. Now, under the Advanced Startup option, click Restart Now. Once you're on the blue screen here, click Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options, then click on UEFI Firmware Settings. Then finally click on Restart to load into the BIOS. This is the BIOS for the MSI motherboard. Your layout may look different if you have a different motherboard, but the idea is the same. Now click on Settings. First click on Advanced option and check to see if BIOS is in UEFI mode. If it's not, then change it to be UEFI mode. Now click on Settings again and go to Security. Then click on Secure Boot. Before you try to change a Secure Boot from disabled to enabled, make sure Secure Boot mode is set to Standard. If you get a user mode error, then you can fix this by clicking on Enroll all factory default keys. If this requires a PC restart, then simply follow the previous steps to get back to this screen and set Secure Boot mode to Standard. And now you should be able to change Secure Boot from disabled to enabled. Now click on Settings again, then click on Security, then click on Trusted Computing. For security device support, make sure that it's enabled, and for TPM device selection, make sure it's on PTT. Finally, click the red X at the top right of the screen and save the changes by clicking Yes. And enjoy Valorant, my friends. See you in the next video.